In this video, we're going to be talking about hyperkyphosis. Hyperkyphosis is when the thoracic spine has too much curve. So you're hunching forward, have a hunchback. Now, from the side, remember that the spine should have three curves, one forward, opposite, forward again. Hyperkyphosis means that this is too pronounced, or like that. Okay? Now, this will lead to mid-back pain, that can lead to low back pain as well, neck pain, headaches as well. Now, we need to work with this by extending the spine, bringing the spine into extension and improving the rotation of the spine. Some of the exercises are going to be similar of the forward head posture exercise that we did in another video. It's a similar condition, but it's not the same thing. In forward head posture, the neck is going forward, the mid-back will follow. In the hyperkyphosis, the problem is the mid-back that is too pronounced, and that will lead to forward head posture as well. So I recommend that you do these exercises together, check that video, and combine the two. In this exercise, you're going to get a foam roll, put it on the floor, and you're going to put it where you have your hyperkyphosis, usually around the shoulder blades, and extend back. Keep your pelvis, your butt on the ground, and then extend the spine back from the thoracic spine as far as you can. You can do 5 to 10 repetitions. Remember, go as far as you can, bring some extension to the spine. You can do it with your hands as well, going back. And you can use a weight to help you get more extension. This will stretch your abs, it will bring extension to the spine, it will stretch your arms as well, your lats as well. Remember, do 10 repetitions, try 3 sets, and when you finish the 10 repetitions, you're going to roll up and down your mid-back. This is a really simple exercise. Here you're going to lay down on your foam roll. As you notice, this foam roll is a bit longer, so when you buy your foam roll, get a longer version and you can do this exercise. You're going to lay down and you're going to extend your arms to the back or to your side. Let your shoulder blades fall back. You're going to be stretching your chest, bringing some extension to the spine, and you're going to hold this position 5 to 10 minutes. Try to do it every day. You can do it at the end of the day or when you can take your break. This exercise, you're going to lay down facing down and you're going to lift your opposite arm and your opposite leg, bringing extension to your spine. Try to keep the head neutral or extend the head as well. Do 5 in one side and then try 5 on the other hand. After that, you're going to go on all your fours, and now you're going to do the bird dog. You're going to extend the opposite arm and the opposite leg, then bring your knee to your elbow and try to reach as far as you can with your hand and with your foot. Try to have a straight line. Remember, your head stays neutral or extend the head a bit. And then do the opposite side. Try to do 5 to 10 in each side. After that, you're going to lay down facing down, and now you're going to do back extensions. Both arms, both legs at the same time, bringing extension to the spine, to mid-back, to your head as well. This is going to work on the paraspinals. And then you're going to finish it up with a cat-cow. Your low back is going to get a bit tight, so it's good to loosen it up when you do this with the cat-cow. This is another combo exercise. You're going to lay down on a ball and you're going to bring your hands back. Try to keep yourself on a straight line. So double use. Do 5 of those. Then you're going to do T's directly to the side. This one you want to do with light dumbbells because you're going to do 5, 5, 5. So you do 5 on the first, 5 T's,
and then you're going to do 5 Ys. With the Ys, your thumbs are pointing up. So remember, 5 back, 5 Ts, and then 5 Ys. And you're going to repeat that 3 times. This is another really simple exercise. You're going to lay down on the ball and you're going to try to extend as far as you can and try to touch the floor on the other side. Your extension is coming from the thoracic spine, the head as well is extending, and try to hold that. Then rest. You can hold that for 10 or 20 seconds and then go back to the movement. If you don't have the foam roll, you can do this one as well. These are lat pull downs. These work on the latissimus dorsi muscle and the lower trapezius. Notice that I'm having here 2 different grips. This is neutral and this is pronated. And this will help different fibers of the muscle. So you can do 1 set with 1 grip and the other side with the other one, or you can alternate it. Now, this one right here is a 1 arm lat pull down. You're going to go in a lunge position, and then with the opposite arm of the leg that you have in front, you're going to pull down. Make sure you're engaging those lats and the lower trapezius, bringing the scapula down, in and down, and then change sides. Remember, try to do 10 or 15 repetitions in each side for 3 sets. This one right here, we're going to do low rows. The rows will help you strengthen your rhomboids. And here I'm doing the same thing. I'm doing a neutral grip and doing a pronated grip to work different fibers of the muscle. With this one, you want to bring your shoulder blades back and together.